Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, southwest Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oswego, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Justice, Joliet, Clarendon Hills, Plainfield, Crest Hill, Orland Hills, LaGrange, Naperville, Tinley Park, Burr Ridge, Palos Hills, Orland Park, New Lenox, Crystal Lawns, Willowbrook, Westmont, Fairmont, Ingalls Park, Western Springs, Indian Head Park, Hinsdale, Hodgkins, Darien, Woodridge, and Downers Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa Weather Radio, KXI 41.